Welcome to Hannylifestyle's channel. I'm so excited to share my lifestyle with you. Please subscribe and join the fun. You won't believe what just happened. I was just minding my own business and then this guy walked up. He actually asked if I was a model. Me!
Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I do in a day and how I prepare before I go to bed. What I do in the day inside, so it's a little bit blocked. So I'm going to be dropping it here. Yes. It's a little bit blocked, so I'm going to be adding water. And I feel I can. Today I'm going to be cooking white rice, beans and rice. So I'm adding water to my pot. So first, we're going to be opening our fridge. So I want to do tiger nuts. So we're also going to be doing tiger nuts, and I also have my coconut in the freezer to get pepper and tomato. So I've gotten tomato and pepper from the freezer. So I'm about to put water, let it melt because it's very, very, very block. Come with me.
Soft light, first shot, little shimmer on my face, why not? Just a second, then it fades on to the next new place. Tiny moments lined in time, every cut and a sign, glowing every frame, change the scene, I stay the same. From the mirror to the gate to the lens in my head, glowing every frame, click rewind, it hits the same. Little life, little love in a 10-second span. Oh yeah.
This is how far I've gone. So I parboil beans and I wash my rice very well. And the chicken is still on the fire. And I'm already frying my tomato mix for my jollof rice. Yeah, this is my tomato mix for my jollof rice. And I also want to make tiger nut. Yeah, tiger nuts is popular known as Awusa drink. Very natural. Everything here is natural. We have coconut here. We have aya here. I don't know their name. And we have dates here. So you soak this for 3 days. No, you soak this for 1 day. But if you want to do it, make it like a juice. You soak it for 3 days. Then you remove the seed inside. And then this is my cold water I'm going to be using. And this is what I use to sieve. So, and this is my blender that I'm going to be using. Ready, go. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing guess the song and you'll be eating until the other person get the song. So join us as we play the game. Who is going first? Because okay. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, you're going first.
So I'm going first. So we if I cannot get the song, you need to be eating. Okay, I think I should drop it here.
Should I start it?
No. R. Hey, this song, Ruga song. R. You can't tell me now if you talk.
10, 9,
Rock,
8, 7.
rock that shoe, rock that shoe.
Hey.
Rock it, man. You know, so I have to shout. Oh, nice. Hey.
10, 9, 8, 7.
She's nothing. Nothing is not meeting my
4, 3,
please
2,
song with
1.
R.
Should I do it?
Say it.
I can take ingredients now.
Okay, sing it.
I can take it
I take a spoon and eat.
So
So Julie got his song. Okay, so Julie should be it. You take the first bite. Why you put it before? So the next one is wait, hold on.
I do.
You'll be eating while I pick another one. K. Who song is that with K?
Oh my God.
Keresimesi day. Keresimesi day. You guys, I got it. Drop it. Oh, yeah.
Okay, I think I get a good song. Oh, I got the dandelions. Because
Don't put it back now.
Right. Okay. Cause I'm in the mood of dandelions, wishing that everywhere for you to be mine.
Okay, got it.
Drop this phone, oh mama. I know songs, what I use.
Okay. Yeah, get the one with.
What's have to do?
Yeah? Yeah. Baby shark tutulu, baby shark tutulu, baby shark. Oh yeah. Pick your own. Oh, drop the spoon. Oh my God. Better.
It's my birthday. I'm gonna party like it's my birthday. My birthday now. It's my birthday. I'm gonna party like
What later do you do?
P now party.
No, no, to see. You started with my birthday. I'm gonna party. Let's start with the later one.
Okay, I got you.
You can't put another one. What's up, P?
Yeah?
Why the song with P now before I count? This time is going.
I don't know.
Okay.
See,
Okay.
Christmas with my friends. I wish it would never.
Immediately you get, you tell me to stop eating. Then
Stop
continue.
eating.
No. Kill. Kill. Guys, I want to get it
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Hannylifestyle. See you next time. Bye bye.